Hello, a quick tutorial about how to change the fixed key ignition on a ADF Unimog fixed ignition key barrel. So to get this key barrel out, we have a little hole here where you can press in with a pin. Now I got a new set of ignition keys and door handles with the matching key barrels, so you won't need them now. Just have a look at this one here. There's a little locking tab here that can only be pressed in when the key is on. Feel it here. Now it's on, so I turn this to the position. Press in, wiggle the key, and she is out. And then to get the new one in, just simply have the key on the correct position, find the dowel, and it should go straight in like that. Perfect. Thanks.